Robinhood versus SoFi Wallet, which is better for beginner investors? Hey everyone, if you're new to investing and wondering which platform is better for getting started, Robinhood or SoFi Invest, you're in the right place. Now, both platforms are beginner friendly and offer zero commission trading, but they cater to different kinds of investors. In this video, we'll walk you through their features, some tools, user experience, and what type of beginner each platform is best for. So you want to stick around till the end to find out which application might fit your investing goals better. Now, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is what are Robinhood and SoFi Invest. Robinhood launched in 2013 and quickly revolutionized investing with commission-free trades. It's known for its sleek interface and simplicity, designed to make investing accessible to anyone, especially mobile-first users. While SoFi Invest is part of the broader SoFi ecosystem, which includes banking, lending, and budgeting. SoFi Invest is an all-in-one investing platform that offers active and automated investing, crypto, and even IPO access. So, if Robinhood is like a laser-focused trading application, SoFi Invest is more like a Swiss knife for personal finance because it offers a lot of tools with the ecosystem. From there, let's talk about the interface and the ease of use. Robinhood's minimalist design is incredibly intuitive. New users can navigate with ease, view some stocks, track performance, and trade with just a few taps. It's built for quick, on-the-go investing. SoFi Invest is also user-friendly, but with more features comes a bit more complexity. Still, the layout is clean with dashboard that helps you manage everything from stocks to retirement accounts. So, if you want simplicity and speed, Robinhood takes the edge. If you want a broader view of your finances, SoFi is more comprehensive. Let's talk about the types of account offered by each platform. Now, Robinhood offers individual taxable brokerage accounts. They offer Roth and traditional IRAs that's been added recently. And lastly, they have this account called Robinhood Gold, which is a premium research and margin account. For SoFi Invest, they provide individual brokerage accounts just like on Robinhood's. They have traditional Roth and SEP IRAs accounts. They have joint accounts. And lastly, automated investing, which is Robo-Advisor. SoFi Invest wins when it comes to account variety, especially if you're thinking long-term with retirement. And of course, let's also talk about the investment options for both applications. Now, on Robinhood, they offer some stocks, ETFs, option, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, IPO access, and lastly, no mutual funds or bonds on the platform right here. Now, SoFi Invest offers stocks and ETFs, crypto, which is going to be limited. They have Robo-Advising, which is the automated portfolios. They have fractional shares, IPO investing, and they have no option trading. If you want a wide range of DIY investing tools, Robinhood delivers. But for passive investor or those looking to automate, SoFi Invest may be a better fit. We then have the educational tools and guidance. Robinhood has been criticized in the past for encouraging risky behavior with gamified UX. However, it has been improved for the educational resources with Robinhood Learn and in-app explainers. Now, SoFi Invest provides more comprehensive learning tools. They have personalized tips and access to certified financial planners even for free. This is huge benefit for beginners who want human guidance. So once again, SoFi wins big in terms of financial education and responsible investing support. And of course, we have to navigate through the safety and regulation. Both are regulated by FINRA or FINRA and offer SIPC insurance. Now, Robinhood has faced scrutiny in the past, especially during the GameStop saga, but it's made changes and it's working to rebuild some trust. SoFi Invest has a cleaner reputation and is part of a broader financial institution. Once again, they offer a lot of services to their customers, which gives it a slightly more traditional feels. From there, let's navigate through their pricing and fees. Both applications offer commission-free trading. However, Robinhood Gold costs $5 a month and it includes level 2 market data and margin investing. SoFi Invest is mostly free but earn money from order flow and offer additional financial products. Neither charges inactivity fees, account maintenance fees, or trading commissions for basic services. Now, let's talk about some extra features and some perks. Basically, Robinhood Extras are going to be their real-time alert feature. They have crypto wallet, they do fast trade execution, and lastly, they have debit card with the Robinhood Cash. Now for SoFi Invest, they have free access to certified financial planners, which is really good for beginners. They have automated portfolio, which is once again a winner for beginners. They have SoFi Relay, which is for budgeting. They have SoFi banking integration because they offer a lot of features or services. And lastly, they offer member rewards and benefits. Now, SoFi has a broader ecosystem. It's great if you want more than just investing. And so, who each application is best for? You want to choose Robinhood if you want fast, no-frill stock trading. Once again, Robinhood focuses mainly on investing or trading. You want to choose Robinhood if you're comfortable with self-managing. And lastly, if you're interested in options or crypto. Now, you want to choose SoFi Invest if you want guidance and automation, if you're building a broader financial plan, and if you value educational tools and human support. If you're a beginner who wants to learn responsibly and grow long-term, SoFi is probably the better option. If you're eager to jump in and explore trading, Robinhood might be a fun place to start with caution. So, Robinhood versus SoFi Invest, it really comes down to your investing personality. If you're all about fast mobile trading and want control over every trade, Robinhood is a great place to learn. But if you want to build wealth gradually with a support team system, SoFi Invest is the way to go. Whichever you choose, the key is to start. Even small amounts invested today can grow over time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner tips, and drop a comment on which application you prefer. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.